Hey guys, just near JHart Modelworks coming to you with a bit of a mail call. We have cards, and more cards to shout out here. We got shop cards, we got Christmas cards, we got Pokemon cards. No, we do not have Pokemon cards, just the shop cards and the Christmas cards. But there are a lot of them. So let's go ahead and flip the camera around and take a look at what all's coming in. Alright guys, we are going to start things off with the shop cards. First shop card on our list comes from Lincoln over at Link's Scale Models. Absolutely cool card. He's got some awesome builds on here. He's got a really cool channel. He's been doing YouTube for about 6 months now. He's only got about 430 subs, so he is growing his channel. He's doing pretty good. He's got some great builds going on over there. Just some really cool stuff. Now he does the Sunday model cars and coffee videos. He also does the what did you buy Wednesday stuff. So go ahead and give him a check out and a subscribe. Next up, Jason from Klien's Race Car Design sent us his new card. Absolutely awesome. That truck is just sitting on the ground, ain't it? Jason's got a great channel. I've done a shout out for him before. He has sent us his new card. Fantastic looking card. He does a lot of one-to-one stuff. He does RC stuff, and he does model building stuff as well. He's got some really cool videos over there, so go ahead and check him out. Moving on to the Christmas cards. 'Tis the season, and I have never seen Christmas cards like this. I mean, it is an absolute stack of cards this year. First one on the bench. This is actually the first card I came in, and this one came from Old Tom Rambo69. If you're going to say it, you got to say it right. Fantastic card. Santa and Rudolph are drag racing. Absolutely cool. Tom's cards are always fantastic. Every year his cards are awesome. Next one comes to us from Marcus over at Hot Rods Model Shop. Marcus has a really cool channel. All of these guys are going to have links down in the description below. Absolutely love that glitter effect on the snowman there. That looks fantastic. Really cool. Thank you very much, Marcus. Now, along with his shop card, Jason also sent us a Christmas card from Klien's Race Car Designs. Thank you very much, Jason, for this as well. Next up, we have Tiffany over at Dirt Road Cinderella. Guys, if you have not checked out Tiffany's channel, you really do need to. She's got some fantastic builds over there. Really cool stuff. She also does the What Did You Buy Wednesday. I can't remember if she actually started that one or not. I don't know, but I know she does them. Just fantastic stuff. And this is an awesome card because I absolutely love peppermint. It is my favorite. I buy the Bones coffee, and they have a white chocolate peppermint coffee. And around Christmas, as soon as they start selling them, I start buying about 2 bags every paycheck to build up a stockpile because they only sell it for so long. And so I build myself a year's supply of peppermint coffee. So this is awesome. Thank you very much, Tiffany. Moving on to my home squatch, Mr. Doug Hensley over at Hensley's Hobbies. Absolutely awesome card. Love it. Got the tree in the back of the truck. Absolutely fantastic. If you do not know Doug, you have got to go check out Doug. Doug is a fantastic guy, fantastic builder. He's got a great channel. Just the very coolest. Super awesome. Thank you very much, my home skillet, home squatch Doug. Next on the bench, we have this absolutely gorgeous car from that magnificent model building bastard, Charlie Mack. Charlie is amazing. Like, a fantastic builder. He builds absolutely everything. I think he builds like a new model every week. The man is just a model building machine. Wealth of knowledge, wealth of information. they're all fantastic. How he builds so many models and they're all fantastic is absolutely beyond me. But thank you very, very much, Charlie. And the last card that we have, at least so far this season, comes to us. This one just came in this afternoon from Frank Frizzo over at Frizzo's Model Cars. Frizzo's been having quite a year. Honestly, I think we've all had quite a year, but he's had quite a bit. So just like Frank over at Frank's Model Cars, I got Frizzo's back. You should too. Give him a check out as well. Thank you very much, Frank. The card is absolutely awesome. I hope every single one of you have a very Merry Christmas, and hopefully 2025 is a year full of fantastic builds for you all. I'm going to go for now, and I will catch you guys on the next one.